Oh shit. I wanna strip these motherfuckers. I will call for attention. I wanna strip my shit. Alright, look, bitch. So now I'm finna get pissed off. Cause look, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all about to piss me off saying go the other way. The shit is in reverse. Let's stop being fucking slow. Okay? Cause y'all about to piss me off. I already got one of the bitches loose. My nigga. The car is already back on the ground, my nigga. It ain't spinning, my nigga. Like, the shit, like these fucking lug nuts, they so fucking slick and smooth on the end, the bitch is barely fitting. I'm used to shit that fits snugged in a bitch. These bitches got fucking lube on them. With this weak ass, somebody took my fucking jack out the car and left me with this weak shit. We're gonna make the best of it though. We're gonna make the best of it though. We're gonna make the best of it though. Bro, this is the shit that came with the car, my nigga. It's always fucking slick. The only way that niggas be fixing these hoes is with that goddamn shit. No, I'm not on the side. I'm in a safe, secure spot. You know what I'm saying? Y'all about to look at this middle shit while I knock these bitches out. Y'all ain't finna see me struggle for real. I'm about to get them bitches off though. It's the last thing I gotta do. Alright. I don't lie, changing the tire really not that hard, y'all. These hoes really just like slicking off on some cool shit. Like, it's low-key pissing me off because it's really making me look like I don't know how to fix no tire. And that shit basic as fuck. Like, that shit low-key blowing the fuck out of me. Like, I want to punch something right now. Cause like, I ain't no bitch ass nigga, I can fix a tire. But these bitches really slick as fuck. Like, how do niggas be stealing these bitches? You know what I'm saying? Bro, I ain't got time for that impact shit, bro. I ain't got time. I ain't got time for that drill. Bro, it's trash as fuck. This shit suck. This is not. It's all good though. It's all good though. It's all good though. Bitch, I know what a wheel lock is. Man, fuck all that. I don't need to call nobody. I'll sit out here in the cold all the way until the morning. I'm not calling AAA. That's a waste of a call. Alright, let me lock in. I look you be here for a long ass time. Okay, we getting some pops. Oh shit, dog. Oh my fucking god. I thought y'all, it's been a minute since I fixed the tire, bro. Like, I forgot, dog. I gotta get back in the field for real. I've been hanging out with bitch ass niggas or something. The tennis is rubbing off on me. My fucking back hurt though. Oh god, what the fuck? You know what I'm saying? Fucking shit up now. I want y'all to remember not to strain yourself up too much, cause you could get a hernia. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Listen. For everybody saying turn left, y'all finna piss me the fuck off. Y'all can't be that fucking slow. Y'all know the camera in reverse, my nigga. Let's lock in, nigga. We 3 down. How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We 3 down, 2 to go. I don't think y'all really like. I don't think y'all locked in. Appreciate the hat, Martin. I don't think y'all locked in. And y'all pissing me off. Because I was pissed off because the tire wasn't working, my nigga. But then, you know what I'm saying? By the grace of God. What y'all mean? I just been playing with y'all. I just been fooling around. I just been enjoying time. I'm not locked in. You just fucking got here though. You just fucking got here though, right? All right. Somebody said they seen the TikTok. Let me go check it. Cause we got 3 down. I gotta take my brain break. Oh. It's a pain in my ass. Pause. Just don't even want to go home. This one almost stripped. I'm gonna have to get another one, man. Hey, this the last one, my nigga. This bitch almost stripped though. Fuck. Damn. It's the last one, y'all. Why I keep saying jack it up more? That ain't the problem. The problem is this bitch is like, it's almost stripped, son. Somebody done got my tires. I don't know what they talking about. Nigga, the tire, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Why am I sitting here entertaining y'all and not fixing my shit? That's the last one. Y'all on my dick. If I had the tire, listen, cause y'all so fucking dumb. Not all of y'all. If the tire is off the ground when you trying to take the shit off, it's gonna fucking spin. Duh. 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 Remember, get them fucking clips. Get them clips, please. between top, bottom, type shit like that. Goddamn little pussy ass bitch. Take the fucking glove off. Relax, I'm not gonna ride on it like this. This little baby ass tire. Alright, now you wanna drop it a little bit, and then you wanna go ahead and tighten it up some more when you drop it a little bit. You gotta have pressure on the lug nuts, little bitch. Damn, this hole little as hell. Oh my god. See how loose that shit was? Imagine riding like that, nigga, your shit gonna pop off. That's why you lower that bitch down and do it again. Look how loose that shit is! Dude, do I know what the fuck I'm doing? It ain't gonna roll. Emergency brake on. It's a tire back there underneath, backing it up, stopping it and shit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta listen, like, nigga ain't new to this, nigga true to this, you heard me? Hope this bitch got some air in it, my nigga. God damn, my fucking back hurt! This bitch low key. Now who oh shit. Now who laughs. Yeah. You know what it is. You know what I'm saying? We finna be on the way back to the destination. Back to the destination. We got this bitch fixed in no time. Not here even 15 minutes. We like that. You know what I'm saying? Now look, y'all. Now look. I want to get something real nice and clear with y'all. What happens on live stays on live. Mods, ban the words minutes. Thanks. Ban minutes and hours and seconds. Nigga, we was here to 15 minutes. I know, but listen, bitch. I could go get some air, nigga. It's air right down the road. I can make it to the air station. Look at y'all hating ass niggas. I can't stand that hating ass spirit. Matter of fact, get your bitch ass on. I can't stand no hating ass spirit. And it's only niggas. Y'all always bitch. It's always a bitch ass nigga. Niggas always lame as hell. Alright, let me get the fuck up out of here before this bitch, yeah. Cause it ain't even all the way down yet. For anybody who want to see it one more time, this is how I came outside. This is what it looked like when I came outside. It's all good though. It's all good though. Yeah, she left it trying to be funny and shit. It's all good though. Cut some of my rims up and shit. I'm finna in this hole and start it on my other phone. It don't matter, bitch. I'm about to be gone. You can make it down the road a little bit. Oh shit, I'm going back up! Fucking eat! Oh shit! Motherfucker empty, ain't it? front of the bitch. It's flatter than some of you hoes ass who be hating on me and shit. Oh, come on, bitch. Oh shit. That bitch tighten up a lot. What the fuck? That's why y'all always keep tightening them bitches up, bro. I'm telling y'all. Pause. The fuck? Do something more manly, nigga. Hell yeah! Fuck yeah! Give it up! Alright, little bitch. Let's make it to the air pump. Alright, y'all. I don't know if I could drive and be on that shit, so. AAA on the way. Baby, AAA is right here. You don't think I should risk it? Why the fuck would I risk it? I just changed this motherfucking tire. You said don't drive on it. Y'all crazy as fuck. Y'all crazy as fuck, man. Y'all niggas is crazy as hell. Hold on.